Hi team, how y'all doing? Me and Coach Fears miss you, but you have a lot of work today, so I need y'all to get started right after this video ends, okay? So I want to walk you guys through what you're doing today, just so there's no confusion. So someone should have just passed out the meal breakdown paper that you guys started yesterday. This front part should already be done. For those of y'all who are absent, just sit tight. I'll explain what to do for y'all in just a minute. A lot of you did not get to watch the video in the computer lab yesterday or the library. So I'm going to tell you what needs to go there in just a second. Your goal today is to finish the back. You will need a calculator, which you may pass out, and you will be working with another person because we only have 15. So share the calculators. Go ahead and look at the front of your worksheet. All right, so this is what you guys did yesterday. You filled in this chart, you wrote down your totals, you went through and you found the number of grams for every food, fat, and proteins as well. One thing that many of you all didn't get to watch yesterday, which is totally fine, but was the video. And so one thing you need to note right now, if you will write on the front of your paper, so get that right now. On the front of your paper, in this blank, you need to write 494. Okay, you saw this rule in your homework video also. What it means is there are 4 calories for every gram in your food. So there are 4 calories of for carbohydrates, 9 for lipids, and 4 for proteins for every gram that you eat. So if you notice down here, we've got grams in each column. So we're going to be using this and this today to do some of the math. Okay, so go ahead and flip your paper over. Okay, and you will notice that you're going to do some calculating. Woohoo! So for the very first one, okay, it says calories from carbs. I'm going to walk you through this part, and then you'll be able to do everything else the same. So it says calorie per gram times the total number of grams. Well, look, we help you out, okay? I show you that you need to use A and E, okay? A and E. So if you flip back to the front, the number for A is this one right here, 4. So in that spot, you're going to do 4. So again, flip it over, okay? So you have a 4, okay? And then it's times, and now we need to find what E is. So if you flip back over again, okay, and go down here, there is your E. It's the total number of carbs that you found, okay? So you'll do whatever your total was. So let's pretend that I had a total of, I don't know, 60. Okay, 60 grams right there. I would multiply 4 times, say it, 60. Good, guys. Oh, you're so great. Okay, so it would be 4 times 60, and what is that? Anybody? Good, 240. Well done, 240 calories. Don't forget. Okay. So you're going to do the exact same thing for everything on this worksheet, okay? Look for the letters that you see, okay? It's the hint to help you. And then flip it over and find that letter. It's either going to be one of these or it's going to be over here, okay? Or you might find it up here, okay? Sorry, I had a brain fart. Okay, up here. Okay, so keep that in mind that you might find some right there. All right? So if you guys have questions, talk to one another, ask each other for help. Make sure that you are answering these questions as well. Yes, they need to be in complete sentences. Okay, complete sentences. All right, but make sure that you fill out this entire thing because you're going to need all of this information tomorrow. All right, guys? So good luck with this. Be good. Don't give the sub any problems. And for those of you who are absent, I'm now going to explain what you're going to do. Okay, so last thing. For those of y'all who are absent, you don't have this front information, which is obviously very important. So I would like you up at the top to write absent on day 1, absent on day 1. And then I want you to copy down someone else's in the class, okay? We're going to copy that down, and I won't count you off for that. And then this should be done on your own, okay? So if you were absent yesterday, okay, if you were absent yesterday, write absent on day 1, copy this from a friend, and then complete the back on your own, okay? I expect everyone to be on their best behavior, and I'm sure you guys will be just fine. If you have questions, we will talk about it tomorrow. And if you need anything, I will be here after school. I'm coming in about halfway through the day. So Coach Fears and I will be here once lunch has been done. So I will see you guys later. Have a good day.